Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the convocation ceremony of the CAHTP Plus Mabuhay Internship Program, a meaningful culmination of learning, growth, and real world experiences with the theme From Learning to Leading. Mabuhay, the MIP legacy continues. Today, we celebrate not just a completion, but the beginning of a stronger career journey ahead. I am Dr. John Erickson Policarpio, CTMP from Olivares College, and I will be your host this afternoon. Please make sure your microphones are on mute and your cameras are on, especially during the awarding and photo opportunities later. So, to begin our celebration, let us ground ourselves in unity and purpose through the invocation and the Philippine national anthem.
Let's bow our heads and place ourselves in the presence of the Lord. Dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for gathering all of us today in this important event. Bless everyone present here today, that each one of us may be able to share what he or she have for your glory and honor. We pray for our graduates today and lift them before you. We ask for your peace to cover them. We ask for laughter and joy to fill their days. We pray that you would give them boldness and courage to face challenges set before them with the confidence of peace that can only come from your Spirit. Be a lamp for their feet and a light to their path. Shine over them. Fill them with your Spirit. May today be a memory that burns bright within them as they embark on life's great adventure. May the various activities related to this event be a success through your intervention. We ask all of this in your name. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Kayang mag-ibig, telas ng sinakanan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tuyag ka ng magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisigil, sa nagagang tutok sa simoy at sa langit mo bagaw, ay hinatang tulang awit sa pagkayang minamahal. Ang isang ng matawad mo'y tagumpay na nag-iingin, pakituwin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidinig. Luman ang araw ng walhagit pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang hindi kaya dapat may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
So, to formally welcome us this afternoon, may we call on the Chief Operating Officer of Global Professional Advancement, Ms. Susan R. Velasco, for her welcome remarks. Ma'am Susan?
Yes, good afternoon, everyone. It is with great pride and heartfelt joy that I welcome you all to the convocation ceremony of the CAHTP Plus Mabuhay Internship Program, or our MIP, held under the inspiring theme From Learning to Leading. The MIP continues. Today, we celebrate not only the successful completion of your internship journey, but also the transformation each of you has undergone from being learners in the classroom to emerging leaders in your respective training grounds. This convocation is a testament to your resilience, professionalism, and growing sense of purpose in the hospitality and tourism industry. To our esteemed industry partners, thank you for opening your doors and sharing your expertise with our interns. To our valued partner institutions and their dedicated faculty members, Your unwavering support has been instrumental in shaping this journey. And to our dear MIP participants, congratulations. You have exemplified the very essence of this program, bridging learning with leadership and competence with confidence. Let today mark not an end, but a beginning, a continuation of the MIP legacy that empowers young professionals like you to lead with integrity, service, and excellence. Welcome to your convocation. Welcome to the next chapter of your leadership journey. Thank you, and once again, congratulations.
Thank you very much, Miss Susan R. Velasco, the Chief Operating Officer of Global Professional Advancement. Indeed, nobody starts as an expert, and everybody has to start from the very beginning as a learner. And what better way to celebrate this day is that we get to acknowledge those hardworking students who have turned their learnings into something valuable towards leading the industry, particularly the tourism and hospitality industry, the industry that we love. So, without further ado, let's now proceed with the program proper. At this juncture, let me call on the MIP coordinator, Mr. Joni M. Garcia, who's going to introduce our industry guest speakers. Sir Joni.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. It is my honor to introduce our guest speaker for today's event. She's the HR officer of the Glory Hotel. She's actually an educator, leadership and communication trainer, advocate of values-based information. She's a human resources officer, an educator and leadership trainer with a diverse background in both the hospitality industry and academic institutions. Currently, she serves as the HR officer of the Glory Hotel, where she leads talent development, staff trainings, and organizational culture building initiatives. She also have more than a decade experience as a college instructor, teaching subjects in communication, public speaking, technical writing, literature, Filipino logic, philosophy, history, and development communication. Her teaching journey spans across college, like high school, and of course, grade school, where she taught English 1 and 2, religion, even religion, Christian living, and values education while serving as a club moderator, a class advisor, and school publication auditor. She is passionate about student formation, staff empowerment, and developing leadership rooted in ethics, purpose, and service. She holds a Bachelor of Science in Education, major in theology, that's religious education, with a minor in English literature from Siena College, Quezon City. Have pursued graduate studies in pastoral ministry at Siena College and the University of Santo Tomas. She also holds international credentials in strategic leadership and management. That's BTEC level 7 from the City College. That's in London in partnership with Heriot Watt University. Whether in the classroom or in the workplace, she believes in creating an environment where people are inspired to learn, grow, and lead with integrity. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in giving a warm welcome and a round of applause to our guest speaker, the HR officer of the Glory Hotel, Miss Lorena Raen Miguel.
To our Mabuhay Internship Program graduates, esteemed faculty and coordinators, partner institutions, proud families, and fellow professionals, thank you for the warm welcome. It's truly an honor to be with you today, even virtually, as we celebrate a significant chapter in your journey. Let me begin with a warm mabuhay. That single word, paired with a hand over heart gesture, is more than a greeting. It embodies Filipino warmth, care, and genuine hospitality. It's at the core of what we proudly call the Filipino brand of service excellence. And today, as you transition from learners to leaders, you also become champions of that brand, fulfilling the Department of Tourism's vision of making the Philippines the tourism powerhouse of Asia. That begins with professionals like you, those who serve with integrity, kindness, and soul. Today's theme, From Learning to Leading, the Mabuhay Internship Program legacy continues, resonates deeply because growth doesn't stop at graduation, it begins a new phase. You're stepping out of the classroom and into leadership into your own way. From learning, over the past months, you've experienced the pace and pressure of the real world. Long hours, real guests, real problems, and through it all, you grew. You didn't just complete an internship, you earned this day. More than learning tasks, you've discovered who you are becoming: a professional, a team player, a future leader in service. Let me share a quick story. Years ago, I started out in a small hotel in London, young, nervous, and brand new. On my second day, a guest checked in after a long, frustrating trip. I didn't have all the answers, but I remembered something my mentor told me. You can control everything, but you can choose to care. You can control everything, but you can choose to care. So I listened, I helped however I could, and a few days later, that guest left a note saying, "Thank you for reminding me people still care." That moment stayed with me because that, not the title or uniform, is what real leadership looks like. It's about showing up for people, especially when it's hard. To leading, leadership doesn't begin with a promotion, it begins with purpose, with taking ownership, lifting others, and staying grounded in empathy and resilience. You may not feel like a leader yet, and that's okay. But real leadership is about being present, learning continuously, and staying true to your values. Let me leave you with three reminders. One, stay curious. That is, keep learning, ask questions, because growth never ends. Second, build relationships. People are your greatest asset. So be kind, be dependable. Every connection matters. And lastly, own your journey. Don't fear failure or slow starts. Each step shapes you into the leader you're meant to be. So, to all our graduates, you've proven yourselves capable and committed. Now go beyond just working, go lead. With the Mabuhay Internship Program legacy and the Filipino brand of service excellence in your heart, remember, excellence isn't a finish line, it's a mindset. It's how you treat people, how you make every interaction count. What are your takeaways? Again, one, stay curious. Two, build relationships. And three, own your journey. Congratulations once again. I believe in you and in what you will become. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Miss Lorena Miguel, our esteemed industry guest speaker for this afternoon, for that very wonderful discussion. Just key takeaways from what Miss Miguel have mentioned and what she has actually imparted to our learners is that number one, we have to stay curious and we have to ask questions and we have to keep on um, you know, exploring new things, especially the industry, in the tourism and hospitality industry. Everything seems to be a very big playground. And what's good about this industry is that we get to experiment and we get to learn by interacting with different types of guests. Another one is, since we are interacting with different types of guests and different types of clients and different types of customers, building fruitful and productive relationship really matters, and it brings out all the best in um a certain brand, especially if you guys would be treating your clients and your guests with the best um relationship building strategies. And lastly, we have to own our journey. Each and every one of us has a different way of fulfilling our goals and our vision. So I know that since you guys are part of the Mabuhay internship programs, we have prepared you to be the best in this industry. So you will have the best journey in the tourism and hospitality industry. So without further ado, let's now move on with the next industry partner that we have. Again, let me call on Mr. Joni Garcia, our MIP coordinator, to present our second industry partner. Sir Joni.
Yes. Once again, good afternoon, everyone. I am pleased to introduce to you our next guest speaker. He is a former team supervisor at the Philippine Statistics Office and marketing associate at the Surgico Philippines Incorporated. Currently, he is the training coordinator at Royce Hotel and Casino, who helps create and manage training programs in hotel. He works at different departments to understand training needs. He also develop materials and run training sessions. He also track how well training works and help improve it over time. He earned a Bachelor of Science degree in psychology in 2020 from Don Honorio Ventura State University. It is my distinct pleasure to introduce a true leader in hospitality training. Ladies and gentlemen, the training coordinator of Royce Hotel, Mr. Rosby Garcia.
Mabuhay! Good afternoon, everyone. So, I'm Rosby I. Garcia from Royce Hotel and Casino. So, on behalf of Royce Hotel and Casino, we would like to extend our heartfelt thanks for inviting us for this momentum or for this special event, of course. And to all students, we are proud to celebrate your achievements, your perseverance, and of course, your hard work. Okay? And to the hospitality and tourism industry, thrive on passion, adaptability, and genuine service. Okay? As your step into your careers, remember that every guest interactions is a chance to make a lasting impact. Of course, ito lang yung masasabi ko, ito lang yung dapat tandaan nyo. Be open to learning, stay professional, and always give your best. Okay? Again, to all students, congratulations, and okay, of course, to the GPA, the Global Professional Advancement, for this meaningful partnership, of course, through the entire Mabuhay Internship Program. Okay, um, we value the opportunity to support our future hospitality professionals and looking forward to the our continue collaborations. And once again, thank you so much, and to all students, congratulations and have a nice day.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ross B. Garcia, the training coordinator from Royce Hotel and Casino. So, just a quick thought from what Mr. Garcia have mentioned. We have to make the most out of every interaction with our guests, and that's one thing that you guys have already experienced during the Mabuhay internship program. And that is what we also known as the moment of truth in our industry. It's always, it's always a fun and what's this fun and crucial part when we are actually meeting with our guests for the first time, because we have to make the best impression at the first time that we get to meet them. Okay, so yeah, and we also have to be open for learning, and we have to stay professional at all times. So that's how the industry have shaped us in order for us to deliver an exceptional service to our guests. So without further ado, at this point, we are also honored to be joined by academic leaders who made this internship experience possible for our students. So let's listen to the heartfelt congratulatory messages of some of our uh, academic partners and academic leaders. So I'll start first by introducing our first academic partner. Dr. Charmaine V. Rivera is a prominent academic leader and recognized expert in hospitality and tourism. She holds a PhD, a master's degree, and a Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management, all from the Lyceum of the Philippines University, Manila, providing her with a strong foundation in the global hospitality industry and its dynamic challenges. As an accreditor of hospitality and tourism programs with the Accrediting Agency of Chartered Colleges and Universities in the Philippines, or AACU, Dr. Rivera ensures that quality and standards of academic programs nationwide. Additionally, she serves as a public relations officer of Region 4A of the Philippine Association of Researchers for Tourism and Hospitality, where she previously held also the role of an auditor. Her credentials include certifications as guest service professional from American Hotel and Lodging Educational Institute and as a certified hospitality management professional. These certifications, coupled with her extensive experience, allows her to effectively blend academic theory with practical application in hospitality management. Currently, Dr. Rivera is the Dean of the College of Hospitality Management and Tourism at Laguna State Polytechnic University. In this role, she leads the development of innovative programs aimed at equipping future leaders in the hospitality industry. Her focus on both academic excellence and professional development fosters a nurturing environment for students to thrive. Dr. Rivera's expertise in international hospitality management has greatly influenced her contribution to teaching and research. Her course expertise spans various subjects within the field of hospitality, and her unwavering dedication to education, professional certification, and leadership roles has made her a highly respected figure in the hospitality and tourism education, inspiring both her students and colleagues with her commitment to excellence and growth. So, without further ado, let us all welcome Dr. Charmaine V. Rivera. Hello, Dr. Charmaine.
Ayan. Hello.
Hello.
Thank
Yes.
you, Dr. Policarpio.
Thank you.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Doc. Go ahead.
Mabuhay to our University President, Dr. Mario Arbiones, to our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Attorney Rashid J. Sancon, to our Campus Director, Engineer Manuel Luis R. Alvarez, to our dear students, proud parents, faculty members, industry partners, and honored guests. Good afternoon and welcome to this very special occasion. Today, we celebrate the success, the sacrifices, and the growth of our very own Certified Associate Hospitality and Tourism Professionals. Today marks not just the completion of your internship, but a meaningful chapter of your academic journey. With that, congratulations, Batch 2025. The theme of today's convocation, From Learning to Leading, the MIP legacy continues, is not just a reflection of where you have been, but a bold statement of where you are headed. For the past few months, each one of you stepped into the real-world industry setting. Mula sa pagiging estudyante na uhaw sa kaalaman, ngayon ay mga kabataang handang-handa ng humarap sa mundo bilang mga profesional. Hindi biro ang inyong mga pinagdaanan. Marami sa inyo unang beses lumayo sa pamilya, yung iba unang beses tumapak sa isang tunay na trabaho at unang beses magbigay ng serbisyo sa mga guests. Pero heto kayo ngayon, mas matatag, mas magaling at mas may tiwala sa sarili. You were no longer just students, rather you were professionals in training. You adapted, you served, you grew, and today you emerge with deeper knowledge, sharpened skills, and above all, a stronger sense of purpose. This is the very heart of the CHHTP plus Mabuhay Internship Program. It goes beyond exposure. It opens doors. It connects classroom theories with real industry practices. And most importantly, it builds your confidence and character. Dito nyo nakita ang ganda at hirap ng industriyang pinili nyong tahakin. Pero higit sa lahat, dito rin ninyo natutunang tumayo sa sarili nyong mga paa at ipakita ang galing at husay ng mga estudyante ng LSPU. And that's what we celebrate today. Not just your completion, but also your transformation. To our dear students, saludo kami sa inyo. Your dedication, discipline, and determination have not gone unnoticed. Sa bawat araw na gumising kayo ng maaga, sa bawat meeting ibinahagi ninyo sa mga guests, at sa bawat gawain na tinapos ninyo kahit pagod na, lahat yan ay bunga ng inyong sipag at tiyaga. Hindi madali pero kinaya ninyo. Remember that all of these challenges you've overcome have become the very foundation of your professional journey. But behind your success is a network of support that also deserves a heartfelt recognitions. To our practicum coordinators who tirelessly guided and encouraged our students, salamat. To our industry partner, the global professional advancement, especially to Ma'am Susan Velasco. Maraming salamat, Ma'am. Thank you for opening your doors to our interns and shaping their experiences with trust and generosity. And of course, to the proud parents and families of our students, your love and sacrifices have made this moment possible. Once again, maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang paggabay at suporta. Assured Dean, I cannot express how proud I am of each and every one of you. You carry with not just the only skills of hospitality and tourism, but also the values of integrity, excellence, and the Filipino warmth. And as you move forward, please remember this. Your learning does not end here. Your journey as leaders is just beginning, so the world needs more passionate and compassionate professionals. Those who do not just serve but uplift, those who not just follow but lead with the heart. You are now ready to take your place in the real world. So wherever you go from here, whether it's in hotels, resorts, airlines, cruise lines, or starting your own ventures, know that you carry with you the legacy of this program, the pride of your alma mater, and the promise of making the difference in lives of others. So let this be your legacy, to serve with purpose and to lead with humility, and also to inspire others through your example. So once again, congratulations. May you always be proud of how far you've come and more excited for where you are going. Mabuhay kayo, mabuhay ang GPA, mabuhay ang CHMT, at mabuhay ang LSPU. Again, thank you and good afternoon.
Thank you very much, Dr. Rivera, for that heartfelt message to our MIP students. So we now proceed with the second academic partner. Let me introduce our second academic partner. Okay. Mr. Rafi M. Dizon is a candidate for Doctor of Philosophy in Business Administration from Our Lady of Fatima University and has taken units on Executive Doctorate in Leadership Business Major from the University of Makati. Additionally, he earned a diploma in professional events management from De La Salle College of St. Benilde, a master in business administration HRM major from La Consolacion University in the University Philippines, okay, and a bachelor of science in hotel and restaurant management from Lyceum of the Philippines University. Currently serving as the program head of the Hospitality Management Department at Our Lady of Fatima University since 2008. He is also an ISO internal quality auditor and a TESDA accredited trainer and assessor for front office services NC2 and events management services NC3. His past roles in academe includes adjunct hospitality lecturer at several institutions such as Mapua University, De La Salle University, Colegio de San Juan de Letran, and among others. And also his hotel industry experience, particularly in Westin Philippine Plaza. He also presented his researches in various academic fora. So let's all welcome the program head of Our Lady of Fatima University, Quezon City, Professor Rafi M. Dizon. Sir Rafi?
Yes, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you for that wonderful introduction, Doc Policarpio. So, mabuhay! Warmest congratulations to all interns graduates of the Mabuhay Internship Program with Certified Associate in Tourism and Hospitality Professionals Plus, supervised by the Global Professional Advancement in partnership with their esteemed hotel partners such Royce Hotel and Glory Hotel, and also the Office of the Supervised Work Experience Program of the College of Hospitality and Institutional Management under the tutelage of the Ms. Ranji Kanyal for the HMD department. This internship marks a meaningful academic journey in your pursuit of excellence in hospitality industry. Through this immersive experience, you gain a first-hand look at how industry works, insight that will instrumental as you move forward for your professional paths. As most of all food students, participants in this program are now bound for their graduation this coming July, I proudly recognize that you are now certified and ready to face the real world of the hospitality industry, equipped with knowledge, skills, and values you have gained both from the university and this transformative internship program. At CHIM, our mantra, inspired by vision, fueled by innovation, with the leadership of our visionary Dean, Dean Ignacio Cordova Jr., remind us to continually design, deliver that answers the needs of the ever-changing industry. The MIP stand as one of the flagship initiatives that fuel our passion, our mission to bridge the academic and professional worlds. I encourage you to treasure every learning, connection, and experience that you have acquired through this program. Carry them forward with pride, confidence, and a spirit of service. With this, again, I would like to say congratulations, Fatima rise to the top. Good afternoon, everyone.
Thank you very much, Professor Dizon, for that wonderful message to our MIP completers. So now we move further with our third academic partner. Okay. All right, thank you. So our third academic partner will be deputized by Ma'am Susan R. Velasco for her message. So let me just introduce the Dean of the University of Batangas, Lipa Campus, a highly experienced executive with impressive academic and business qualification and a notable track record, proven ability to successfully lead a team and analyze an organization's critical business requirements, identify deficiencies and potential opportunities, and develop innovative and cost effective solutions for enhancing competitiveness, increasing revenue, and improving customer service offerings. She is currently the Dean of the College of Management and Tourism, an Associate Professor 3, and a lecturer at the Graduate School at the University of Batangas Lipa campus. She is also a DOT trainer for Filipino Brand of Service Excellence and also a DOT accredited tourism trainer PACOCOA accreditor, ALCOCOA accreditor, and CHED ARCWAT member. So without further ado, let's have Dr. Irene R. De Villa.
Hi everyone. So it is my pleasure to read to everyone the congratulatory message of Dr. Irene R. De Villa. As I read, it fills me with immense pride and joy to address you all today at the convocation ceremony of the CAHTP Plus Mabuhay Internship Program under the inspiring theme, From Learning to Leading, the MIP Legacy Continues. You are celebrating a significant milestone, the completion of your Global Professional Advancement, Certified Associate Tourism Professional, and Certified Associate Hospitality Professional certifications. This convocation is a testament to your unwavering dedication, hard work, and commitment to excellence. You are stepping into the future where micro-credentialing is not just a buzzword, but a powerful currency. In today's rapidly evolving professional landscape, traditional degrees are invaluable, but micro-credentials like your CATP and the CAHP certifications offer something uniquely agile and impactful. They validate specialized skills, demonstrate your proficiency in specific areas, and signal to employers that you possess targeted, in-demand expertise. You've embraced a forward-thinking approach to professional development, acquiring precise competencies that are immediately applicable and highly valued. These certifications are more than just pieces of paper. They are keys to unlocking new opportunities. Whether you are looking to advance in your career, pivot to a new field, or simply enhance your professional toolkit, your CATP and CAHP designations provide a competitive edge. They open doors to specialized roles, enhance your marketability, and position you as a lifelong learner ready to adapt to the demands of the global workforce. You are now equipped to make a tangible impact in hospitality and tourism, contributing your expertise where it is most needed. Today marks not an end, but a vibrant new beginning. As the theme suggests, you are transitioning from learning to leading. The MIP legacy of excellence and leadership now rests in your capable hands. Embrace the knowledge and skills you have gained. Continue to learn and grow, and seize the incredible opportunities that lie ahead. The entire MIP community is incredibly proud of your accomplishments, and we eagerly anticipate the positive contributions you will make to your respective industries. Once again, congratulations to all. Go forth and shine. So thank you very much, Dr. Irene R. De Villa, for that very inspiring congratulatory message.
And thank you very much, Ma'am Susan Velasco, for reading the inspirational message of Dr. De Villa. So I just have to highlight as well the component of or the concerns, I mean the essence of micro credentialing, because that's really a trend nowadays, especially in the tourism and hospitality industry. And I'm happy and always proud to be part of the Global Professional Advancement family as we embrace this kind of innovation in towards learning. And syempre, saan pa ba tayo pupunta, di ba, pag micro-credentialing sa GPA na yan? CATP, CAHP, at lahat po ng programs namin. Yan. Okay? So, let's now move on to the highlight of this afternoon's event. So, we now go to the official recognition of our interns who have completed the MIP, where are the Mabuhay Internship Program with dedication and excellence. So we will now be playing the AVP of our award of our completers.
From Wesleyan University, Philippines, Stephanie S. Pascual.
Joel Jr. B. Ramos. From Immaculate Conception High College of Arts and Technology, Irene D.V. Kabuhat. Jasmine G. Nepomuceno. From STI College General Santos Incorporated, Shanedle Faye S. Bergante, CATP. Crystal O. Kabilao, CATP. Princess Zaira Sena, CATP. Jacqueline G. Damiel, CATP. Winslet Kate A. Diones, CATP. Maimona N. Espinosa, CATP. Yvonne Grace D. Granfon, CATP. Strawberry May D. Lim, CATP. Marie I. Maulani, CATP. Daniela Ethel M. Paraiso, CATP. Bea Charis R. Pomos, CATP. K.A. Solacito, CATP. Stephanie D. Bernaje, CAHP. Carlo Jim R. Escobar, CAHP. John Saiton V. Esmejarda, CAHP. Eliza May P. Garcia, CAHP. Francis Ray H. Lamasan, CAHP. Ian B. Marinas, CAHP. Jelite S. Olarte, CAHP. Hannah Marie Z. Plaza, CAHP. Gwyneth F. Publico, CAHP. Kilian C. Sogilon, CAHP. Mary Rose C. Umol, CAHP. From the University of Batangas, Lipa Campus, Jean Alessandra Andal, CATP. Eliza C. Buonggaling, CATP. Laika A. Briones, CATP. Arian Joy Cardenio, CATP. Beulah Marie F. Fabriag, CATP. Shane Ann M. Mabiling, CATP. Sydney Harriet Makalintal, CATP. Azil Ann C. Petate, CATP. Julia Paula R. Salcedo, CATP. And from the Lemery Colleges Incorporated, Sheila Marie D. Reyes, CATP. Frederick M. Arakan, CAHP. Miko T. Banawa, CAHP. Lance Aaron M. Ruse, CAHP. Daphne P. De La Cruz, CAHP. O'Neil A. Miro, CAHP. DJ Orlina, CAHP. Angelo Miguel M. Patungan, CAHP. Sybil Kael A. Reyes, CAHP. Thea D. Vergara, CAHP. From the Camarines Sur Polytechnic Colleges, Erica May D. Angeles, CATP. Jillian Corinne A. Burdeos, CATP. James R. Cerillo, CATP. Lady Christy B. Delgado, CATP. Winona D. Gapit, CATP. Maria Clarice R. Marcelino, CATP. Clavel R. Mayor, CATP. Keisha Jane A. Nagales, CATP. Mary Estelet Andrea T. Nional, CATP. Jasmine Nicole A. Noble, CATP. Cindy May T. Oliquino, CATP. Trecia P. Peñones, CATP. Maclencon B. Raman, CATP. Chrissy M. Regaspi, CATP. Victoria P. San Miguel, CATP. Jericho Jose C. Villamer, CATP. Precious Ann F. Bagayawa, CAHP. Irene M. Baso, CAHP. Christine C. Begata, CAHP. Sofia Simone M. Buenaventura, CAHP. Janelle C. Carillo, CAHP. Maria Fe A. Saldivar, CAHP. And now we move on to the Laguna State Polytechnic University, Santa Cruz Campus. John Leonard C. Apuada, CATP. Kaylin Kate C. Arenas, CATP. Mary Rose N. Castillon, CATP. Cecil D. Conogana, CATP. Mayumo P. Corrales, CATP. Jesslyn Shane O. Cruz, CATP. Grisel Ann B.D., CATP. Erica Ann C. Diaz, CATP. Gail R. Equiz, CATP. Eliza Marie R. Escueta, CATP. Camille P. Gabilete, CATP. Red E. Galema, CATP. E.G. T. Guerrero, CATP. Tricia Alika M. Katigba, CATP. Alex Oscar A. Maghari, CATP. Alexley A. Makiling, CATP. Maria Victoria A. Montesines, CATP. Nicole R. Pandacan, CATP. Maria Clarice C. Peñalosa, CATP. Eliza May S. Requilas, CATP. Shart S. Sohelio, CATP. Jana Andrea V. Tasara, CATP. Crystal Joy A. Villanueva, CATP. Marvin C. Adsay, CAHP. Aris Miguel P. Ayala, CAHP. Angelo L. Baduria, CAHP. Jan Renz S. Berin, CAHP. Sia Louis P. Bernales, CAHP. Michael Angelo S. Piluan, CAHP. Andre Marie M. Chintoco, CAHP. Viner D. Coronacion, CAHP. Lawrence John M. Derama, CAHP. Ramiel Jerome M. Elcano, CAHP. Justin Kyla I. Estrellado, CAHP. Jervic Manuel T. Lagunera, CAHP. Mark Alexis V. Manangkil, CAHP. Jared C. Minas, CAHP. Jan Maverick S. Orioste, CAHP. Jos Ace Rail G. Panganiban, CAHP. Justin P. Parago, CAHP. Alan Yuan O. Perejas, CAHP. Judith Marie G. Ramasta, CAHP. Aaron Jercel D. Regio, CAHP. Mark Jerwin Dr. Reyes, CAHP. Neomar G. San Juan, CAHP. Ninyalin P. Sotomayor, CAHP. From the Our Lady of Fatima University, Quezon City Campus, John Erold M. Adorador, CAHP. Mark Osayas M. Agapay, CAHP. John Carlo A. Apostol, CAHP. Christine C. Aquino, CAHP. Angel P. Bagaforo, CAHP. Nino John Luis G. Bernardes, CAHP. Ramona Faye S. Briones, CAHP. Jude Christopher S. Cabales, CAHP. John Lawrence T. Caraballa, CAHP. Jeloisa May G. De Leon, CAHP. Iverson Hill Del Castro, CAHP. Gilmar M. Eben, CAHP. Andrea May B. Espinosa, CAHP. JV P. Estrada, CAHP. Maria Luisa C. Martinez, CAHP. Charles Justin J. Mendoza, CAHP. Juliana Aubrey DL Pangilinan, CAHP. Jeremy B. Parcon, CAHP. Mary Faith Geraldine R. Ramos, CAHP. Shaira P. Seva, CAHP. And Glesime T. Teologo, CAHP. Congratulations to all of our CAHTP Plus Mabuhay Internship Program graduates.
Again, congratulations to our CAHTP Plus MIP completers for successfully completing your internship program with us. So now we move forward with some of the selected interns themselves. Let's turn the tables now and let's hear some inspiring voices coming from these people and as they reflect on their personal and professional journey. So we're going to start with a student, our one of our MIP completers from Our Lady of Fatima University, Quezon City campus, Miss Mary Faith Ramos.
Good day, everyone. I am Mary Faith Ramos, a culinary arts major student, and I had the incredible opportunity to complete my internship at the Glory Hotel and Residences under the Mabuhay Internship Program. In just a span of 1 month, I gained more than just technical skills. I gained experiences that truly shaped my passion and professionalism in the hospitality industry. I was assigned to the food and beverage department, both in service and in the kitchen. It is where I learned the importance of teamwork, discipline, and consistency. It wasn't always easy, but I found myself loving the pressure, especially when I knew it would help me grow. Every day was a new challenge, but also a chance to become better, more confident, and more resilient. Along the way, I met amazing people who guided us and shared the best advices. Their encouragement, patience, and support made this journey even more meaningful. I would like to sincerely thank the MIP program for making this opportunity possible. To everyone I met, and especially Sir Joni, thank you for your guidance, your trust, and your heart for mentoring us. It was a month full of growth, learning, laughter, and unforgettable memories. I'll forever carry these experiences as I continue my journey in this industry. Thank you, and may we all continue to grow and shine wherever we are planted.
Thank you very much, Mary Faith Ramos from Our Lady of Fatima University, Quezon City campus. We now head south to Laguna State Polytechnic University, Santa Cruz campus with Justin Parago.
Mabuhay! Good day everyone! I hope you all are having a good time, lalo na ngayon, kasi we're just minutes away para officially nating ma-end ang ating internship under the MIP. So, here I am to share some words, mostly about appreciation lang para sa atin, as well as to share my experience as a leader. So, sana may makuha kayong aral mula sa akin. Yun. I should start na. Being a leader is not a new thing na for me. Kasi ever since my early years in school, I've always been assigned as a group leader in almost every group activity man yan, or section task, or competition din. Kasi I'm one sa mga confident students sa room. Sometimes I also get the chance to volunteer para maging group leader, kasi not just because I believe sa aking abilities, but because I also work hard to be among the top students sa aming class. Hindi lang din yun all about confidence eh. I always believe na yung confidence should go hand in hand with compassion. Kaya kahit na palaging nakikita sa akin yung competitive side ko, I always ready to extend my helping hand para sa aking mga kaklase, especially when it comes sa academics. Yun. Talking about the present time, now came the Mabuhay Internship Program, or the MIP. I am one of the many students that they helped. Students who were in need ng guidance, direction, and opportunity. Kasi MIP supported me in finding the right internship opportunity. And from there, my growth took a whole turn. During my 1 month stay kasi sa pangalaga nila, I became more aware of my surrounding, especially in a workplace settings. Kasi I started to carry myself with more awareness and responsibility. Kaya, ayun, I always tend, not always, pero I tend to remind my fellow interns to uphold professionalism at all times, not only because we are there to do a job, but because we represent something bigger than ourselves. We represent kasi yung university natin, yung training na nakuha natin, and as well as our values. Kaya, in the process, nung 1 month na yon, I also took the initiative para i-support yung mga co-interns ko in whatever way I could. Whether it was helping them to organize their documents, yung pag-a-assign ng task within our group, mag-offer ng insight based dun sa experience kung ano mang meron na napagdaanan ko, comforting them kung may pinagdadaanan man sila, kung may personal struggles sila for those facing personal struggles. Tinulungan ko rin sila to resolve conflicts or even standing up for my colleagues when they fell short. I did my best para to be the kind of teammate and leader na nakikinig, hindi lang nagli-lead, nakikinig din, understand and act. Yes. So, more often than not, I found myself stepping up as the group representative. Kasi, kaya ko. And I embrace that responsibility with pride and great humility. Yung experience na yun, it made me realize something very important na leadership is not always about being the head of the game. Kasi a good leader knows how to listen to his or her team. Kasi doon nagsisimula ang isang magandang teamwork. Now, as I approach the end of my university years sa Laguna State Polytechnic University, Santa Cruz Campus, as a candidate for Magna Cum Laude, I look back and see how the Mabuhay Internship Program has helped me become who I am right now, the person I am today. Para sa MIP, to Ma'am Susan and Sir Joni, sa mga MIP sa other staffs din na meron na naandun, sa internship coordinators din namin, kay Dean Charmaine and kay Ma'am A. Free, and to my co-LSPU GPA interns, thank you kasi thank you for trusting me, for giving me the space to lead, and for shaping me into a student leader who is not only capable but is also grounded. The legacy of MIP lives on every intern you help and in every student you guide. And I am very proud na isa ako sa mga natulungan ng MIP. Maraming salamat and truly the MIP legacy continues.
Very well said, Mr. Justin Parago from Laguna State Polytechnic University, Santa Cruz campus. Now let's move further down south to the University of Batangas Lipa campus. We have Miss Laika Briones joining us today. Hi, Laika.
Hello po, good afternoon po and mabuhay. I am like Briones po from University of Batangas, Lipa Campus. And our journey po with GPA started when we joined the CHTP Plus Mabuhay Internship Program last January until March 2025 po. We were one of the pioneers po of this program, and our 2-month internship at CRK or with the GPA wasn't easy at all, to be honest po. So 2 months po na walang uwian sa Batangas, and it was really full of challenges. And it was indeed a roller coaster of ride for us. And pagdating pa lang po namin sa Clark, and alam naman po yun ni Ma'am Susan, ni Sir Johnny, and Ma'am Carol and Dean, tsaka po yung mga co-interns ko, we weren't really able to be deployed po to our original internship site, which was supposed to be the CRK. And that made us lose somehow our hope since we traveled po from Batangas to Pampanga to get the best internship that we could possibly have. But yung isa naman po naming kasama ay nag-start naman po siya agad sa WIDAS po. And luckily, mabait po yung HR po sa Cassie, which is si Ma'am Cassie din po. So we were temporarily deployed sa back office po while nire-resolve po nila yung issues sa CRK. And weeks of waiting had passed po and we eventually decided to pull out from the Cassie para lumipat na lang po kami sa Royce Hotel and Casino. And we are really thankful po for that opportunity since we really felt the real essence po of our OJT experience. And thankful po kami kay Sir Johnny, Ma'am Susan, sa pag-ayos po nung issue namin from the CRK going to Royce. And thankful po kami sa opportunity na yon kahit po for a short period of time lang. And honestly, our internship po was full of what ifs and questions. Since may issue nga po dun before, what if mag-pull out na lang po kami? What if umuwi na lang po ulit kami ng Batangas? It was really stressful po, but thanks to Ma'am Susan and to Sir Johnny po na na-survive po namin siya with your help po. And it might have been a rough journey but yung mga tao po na na-meet po namin sa CRK, sa Roy, sa Widas, sa Swiss, tsaka po sa apartment, naging gumaan naman po yung loob namin. And from the guards po ng apartment, si Kuya Ronnie and si Kuya Mike, thank you din po sa kanila sa walang sawang pagkuha po ng parcels namin. And sa pag-akyat po sa apartment kapag may sira pong appliances or sa CR and sa mga concerns po namin. And to our co-interns po from different schools, na naging kaibigan din po namin throughout our journey. Thank you so much din po sa inyong lahat and na-survive po natin siya. And Ma'am Susan and Sir Johnny and to the GPA po, thank you so much po for guiding us throughout our OJT journey. Thank you po.
Thank you, Miss Laika Briones from the University of Batangas, Lipa Campus. Indeed, when life gives you lemon, we have to make lemonades out of it. And, you know, here in GPA's program, in the Mabuhay internship program, we really give you the, the realities of life. And what better way to be trained in the industry is for you to, experience all of, the different ups and downs in our industry. And, it's part of the game of life. So anyways, moving forward, thank you very much for all of those student representatives who have shared their experience in the Mabuhay internship program that we have. So now let us now celebrate our MIP completers with a visual tribute, a collection of memories, snapshots, and accomplishments from their internship experience. Technical team? Okay. So before we close today's session and before we close this convocation, let's capture this special moment and a special milestone together. May we kindly request everyone to open their cameras, especially the MIP graduates, and get ready to smile for your virtual photo opportunity. Okay? May I request everybody to please turn on their cameras? Yan. Congratulations to all of our MIP completers. Okay? Remain smiling kasi medyo marami tayong slides.
Okay, first slides po, smile. Second slide, smile po. And the third slide, smile po. Okay na po.
Okay, thank you very much. So now, to formally close this day's convocation, let us hear our dedicated MIP coordinator who guides and took care of our interns during their stay with us. Let's again welcome Mr. Johnny M. Garcia. Sir Johnny.
Once again, good afternoon, everyone, our MIP interns, and of course, our guest for today. Thank you so much, Dr. Jan Policarpio. And of course, as we bring the MIP convocation ceremony to a close, I'm filled with profound gratitude for this incredible journey. To our esteemed mentors, thank you for your unwavering guidance and belief in our interns. Of course, Ma'am Susan, our GPA COO, your dedication to fostering these participants or partnership has been truly instrumental to our success. Our deepest appreciation also goes to our partner schools, deans, and teachers for nurturing such exceptional talent. To the parents, thank you for your unwavering support. Your encouragement has been the bedrock of your children's achievements. A special thanks to our guest speaker, Ma'am Raen from Glory Hotel, Sir Roseby from Royce Hotel, and to all other valued partners, Swiss Hotel, Widas Hotel, Quest Hotel, Century Hotel, Seoul Hotel, and of course the Clark International Airport. And now to the heart of this celebration, our amazing interns from the first and second quarters of 2025, your dedication, innovative spirit, and collaborative energy have been truly inspiring. Your dedication has been completed this program. You built a foundation for remarkable futures. This isn't just about the skills you've gained. It's about the collaborative spirit you've cultivated. This is a spirit that will carry you through any challenges. To the MIP class of 2025, embrace the future with the courage and creativity. Never stop learning, never stop growing, and always remember the power of collaboration and the valuable lessons learned from your internships. The world awaits your contributions. We are immensely proud of each and every one of you. Once again, congratulations, and may your paths be filled with success, fulfillment, and the joy of making a difference. Thank you. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Thank you very much, Mr. Johnny M. Garcia, our MIP coordinator. And thank you very much to everyone who joined us today, our partner schools, industry collaborators, the graduates themselves, and their proud families. To all of our MIP completers, this may be the end of your internship, but it is only the beginning of your leadership journey. Continue to lead with integrity, passion, and purpose. Once again, congratulations. Mabuhay kayong lahat. And see you in your next professional chapter. This has been Dr. John Erickson Policarpio, your host, now signing off. Mabuhay. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much to all who have attended our MIP convocation ceremony. Thank you very much, everyone.